Hello everyone, ja będę here. In this video I'm going to show you the KESO Omega² 8000. It is a high pin count lock. It has 14 pins in 3 rows. The left row has 4 pins, top and the right rows have 5 pins each. An interesting feature is the interactive pin that is at the end of the top row, which is a telescoping pin in pin, and is a bit tricky to set. To set it completely, you will have to lift the inner as well as the outer part of it when it binds. It is likely to be a spool, as it also gives a counter rotation when lifting. I haven't got it, this lock yet, and will do so in a while once I manage to pick it. For those who are unbelievers, I would like to remind you that all of my recorded lock picks are on one shots without any cutting or editing. Okay, in general, this lock is relatively difficult to pick. It has excellent tolerances and some of the pins are spools, so that at some stage of the picking, the core will be in the faucet alignment position, and when you're lifting the spools and counter-rotating the core, the previously set pins like to drop. Feedback in this lock is very specific and weak. It is very easy to do overset on pins, and when the pins partially drop, feedback practically disappears. So, lock is working. Let's try to pick it. Okay, here we have the KESO Omega² 8000. So, let's pick. Clockwise tension, and I will start from the interactive pin. Okay, inner part was set. Now the pin number 3 on the right side, and pin number 3 on the top. Now number 5 on the right. Number 3 on the right. That was number 2 on the top. Number 4 on the left. Number 1 on the left. Okay, I have a full set after setting the 3 on the top. It looks like side rows was picked. Now I need to set top pins. Okay, that was number 3 on the top. Okay, that was outer pin of the interactive, and we have lock picked. So now time to cutting. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. see that pins from different rows are not, each chambers are not aligned. So if you pick this lock, you can rotate core around the 360 degrees, and pins from the both side rows and the top row will not fall into the different chambers. So you can really rotate the core after picking. Okay, I will need some tools. Okay, and we have got it. Here we have the housing. And this is the core. Here it is, the jumper from the interactive pin. Let's take a look to this interactive fella. That's how it looks like. And you can see this is the pin in pin. Okay, and take a look at the driver. The same story. Pin in pin. And these pins, this interactive pin has two springs, smaller, which is working with inner pin, and bigger one for the outer pin. So let's take a look for the pins. Almost all are spooled. Some of the key pins has a spooled part at the bottom of the pin, and this spooled part can give you a counter rotation, so you can may think that pin is not set already, and then you will make an overset. Okay, the key pins from the top row are looking like this one. They're standard. Alright, so here we have the key with this interactive element. Key is double-sided, so that will be all in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.